Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to access PS4 hard drive in order to upgrade or change it. So this is the top side of the PS4 and the hard drive is inside this upper part. You can easily open it by applying slight pressure here on both the sides and pushing it upwards. I'm using one hand as I'm recording it. It's easy with both the hands. It comes off easily. Here's the hard drive. Unscrew it using a star screwdriver. Now you can just pull it out and change it or upgrade it. You have 4 screws in total holding the hard drive, 2 on either sides. It can also fit an SSD. After changing or upgrading it, slide it back inside slowly and secure it with the screw. After successfully installing it, now slide the top panel back again till it locks itself. Thanks for watching guys.